You wake up, the alarm is ringing, but your body feels like it's made of lead. You drink coffee, but the brain fog doesn't lift. You feel anxious, depleted, running on empty before the day even begins. What if I told you this isn't your fault? You are suffering from a modern hormonal collapse, but over 500 years ago, an entire empire thrived on endless energy, running miles across mountains without fatigue. They possessed a biological cheat code, a seed so incredibly powerful at altering human hormones and energy levels that invading conquerors made it illegal under penalty of death. Today, you are going to discover the forbidden Aztec superfood. We are going to expose the exact mechanism of how this microscopic powerhouse, hidden in plain sight, can completely rewrite your endocrine system, crush your cortisol spikes, and unleash a clean, unstoppable wave of natural daily energy. Forget caffeine crashes, forget synthetic supplements. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use this ancient technology to reclaim your body and your mind, starting tomorrow morning. To understand the cure, you must first understand the poison. Right now, your endocrine system is under constant siege, from the microplastics in your water to the artificial blue light beaming from your screen. Your body is trapped in a state of chronic fight or flight. Your cortisol, the stress hormone, is permanently elevated. When cortisol goes up, your thyroid slows down, your testosterone drops, your estrogen fluctuates wildly. Your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, begin to suffocate. This is why you are always tired. You aren't just lacking sleep. Your cellular engines are broken. Enter the Aztecs. They didn't have caffeine. They didn't have energy drinks. Yet their elite jaguar warriors could march for days, carrying heavy armor. Their secret weapon was huautli, what we now call amaranth, working in perfect synergy with the legendary chia seed. When the Spanish arrived in the 16th century, they noticed the impossible endurance and terrifying vitality of the Aztec people. Hernán Cortés didn't just conquer their cities, he recognized that their power came from their food. He ordered all amaranth fields to be burned. Anyone caught growing it had their hands cut off. Why? Because you cannot subjugate a population that possesses boundless physical and mental energy. They tried to erase this seed from history, but they failed. Let's break down the hidden hormonal alchemy of amaranth. This isn't just a carbohydrate, it is a bioactive matrix. First, amaranth contains a rare compound called squalene. In the modern world, squalene is mostly found in deep-sea shark liver oil, but amaranth is the most concentrated plant-based source on Earth. Squalene is a crucial precursor to all of your steroid hormones. It provides the raw building blocks your body desperately needs to manufacture optimal levels of DHEA, testosterone, and estrogen. When you consume it, you are literally handing your endocrine system the exact blueprint it needs to repair itself. Your hormone receptors wake up from their coma. But repairing hormones is only half the battle. We need pure, unadulterated energy. This is where the synergy between amaranth and chia becomes explosive. Chia means strength in the Mayan language. While amaranth rebuilds the hormonal foundation, chia delivers the fuel. These tiny seeds possess a hydrophilic property. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When ingested, they create a gelatinous barrier in your stomach. This slows down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar. The result? Instead of a violent spike in blood sugar followed by a devastating crash, your body receives a slow, methodical, sustained drip of glucose into the bloodstream. It is the ultimate time-release energy capsule. Think about what this means for your daily life. No more 2 p.m. slumps, no more brain fog after lunch. While everyone else is reaching for their third cup of coffee, stressing their adrenal glands into oblivion, you are operating on a stable, flatline energy curve. Your brain is bathed in omega-3 fatty acids from the chia, reducing neuroinflammation. Meanwhile, the complete amino acid profile of the amaranth, specifically its massive levels of lysine, an amino acid usually missing in plant foods, is actively repairing your muscle tissue and synthesizing collagen.
You are essentially eating the most advanced biological fuel ever discovered by human civilization.
And the science backs up the ancient myth. Modern clinical studies are now proving what the Aztec emperors knew intuitively. The bioactive peptides found in amaranth have been shown to contain lunasin, a peptide that directly reduces inflammation at the cellular level. Inflammation is the root cause of hormonal imbalance. When your body is inflamed, it produces cortisol instead of sex hormones. By crushing inflammation, amaranth allows your body to stop surviving and start thriving. Women experience more regulated cycles and less menopausal friction. Men experience clearer focus, improved libido, and a profound sense of physical drive.
So, how do you unlock this ancient technology today? The protocol is brutally simple, but you must follow it precisely. You don't just eat these seeds raw, you activate them. Take 1 tablespoon of organic chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of popped amaranth. Yes, popped. The Aztecs heated amaranth to unlock its nutrients, just like popcorn. Soak the chia in half a glass of warm water with a squeeze of fresh lime for 15 minutes. This creates the hydrogel. Then, stir in the popped amaranth and a pinch of raw, unrefined sea salt to replenish your cellular electrolytes. Drink this elixir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before you touch caffeine. Do this for 14 days. Within the first 3 days, you will notice a strange sensation: the absence of fatigue. You will wake up and realize you don't need the coffee to function. By day 7, your mood stabilizes. The hormonal swings diminish. By day 14, you have successfully rebooted your biological clock. You have reconnected with the ancestral blueprint of human vitality. You are no longer running on fumes. You are running on the very fuel that built pyramids and conquered mountains. But repairing your hormones with Amaranth and Chia is only step 1 of reclaiming your ancestral health. The Aztecs also had a precise physical routine to activate their lymphatic system and flush out toxins before the sun even fully rose. If you want to compound your new energy levels and build an unbreakable morning routine, you need to click the video on the screen right now, where I reveal the 5-minute ancient warrior stretching protocol that will bulletproof your joints for the rest of the day. Click here, and I'll see you there.